Point A and B are 120 km apart. A motorcyclist starts from A to B along a straight road AB with a speed of 30 km per hour. At the same time, a cyclist starts from B along a road perpendicular to road AB with a speed of 10 km per hour. After how many hours will the distance between them be the least? Here we have to find out the time respective to the least distance between these two cyclists. Here distance between A and B is 120 km. This is A and this is B. A cyclist 1 starts from A towards B with a speed of 30 km per hour. So this is cyclist 1 and he is starting from A to B. Then another cyclist starts from B perpendicular to AB. That is, his direction is this way and his speed is 10 km per hour and he is traveling in this direction. So we need to find out in how many hours distance between these two cyclists will be minimum. In how many hours? So we need to find out the least distance and least time responsible for that least distance. Here you can see cyclist 1 will, this is cyclist 2. Cyclist 1 will cover 120 km in 4 hours. That is, in 4 hours he will reach at B. In 4 hours, cyclist 2 will cover 40 km. That is, distance between them will be 40 km. So in 3 hours, cyclist 1 will cover 90 km. 90 km. That is, this will be 30. And cyclist 2 will cover 30 km. That is, 10 into 3 hours is equal to 30 km. So this will be our correct path. This will be the least distance. But time is not exact 3 hours. We need to find out the least distance and least time responsible for that distance. So we have to form a quadratic equation. So I will take least time as t. Least time as t. So time travel by cyclist 1 in t hours is equal to 30t. Distance travel by cyclist 1 is equal to 30 into speed into time, that is 30t. Then this will be 120 minus 30t, this distance. And I will take this as x, hypotenuse as x. Then distance traveled by the second cyclist will be 10 into t. Then if you form the quadratic equation, that will be x is equal to, x square is equal to 120 minus 30t the whole square plus 10t the whole square. That will be equal to 120 square is equal to 14400 minus 2 into 30 into 120. That is 2 into 12, 24 into 3, 72. So 00 t. Then 30t square plus 10t square will be 1000 t square, because 30 square is equal to 900, 10 square is equal to 100. 900 plus 100 is equal to 1000. So 1000 t square. So this is our quadratic equation. Then if you want to find out the least distance responsible for this time, that will be, least distance will be f of x is equal to minus b by 2a. Least distance will be at f of t is equal to minus b by 2a. Here minus of b is equal to minus 7200 divided by 2 into a is equal to 1000. This is b, this is a. So a is equal to 1000. That means your point will be at 3.6 hours. Your distance will be at 3.6 hours. This is time, okay? This is in terms of time. I take this as t, 30t, 100t. So this is f of t. Function of t will be at minus b by 2a. Here you can see quadratic fraction f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c reaches the minimum when a greater than 0. That is, a is positive. Here a is positive. That means when x is equal to b minus b by 2a. That is, this is b and this is a. So minus b by 2a. When x is equal to minus b by 2a, the quadratic function will reach as the minimum. Here at 3.6 hours, this distance between these two cyclists will be minimum. So option C is your answer.